Hey there! Are you struggling to score good marks in your exams? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we will share with you 5 powerful writing tips to help you excel in your exams. So, let's get started. Tip number 1, plan your time wisely. Start by creating a study schedule and prioritize your subjects. Break down your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks and allocate specific time slots to each. This way, you'll stay organized and be able to cover all your topics effectively. Tip number 2, understand the question. Before you start writing, carefully read and analyze the question. Look for keywords and make sure you understand what is being asked. This will help you stay focused and direct your writing towards answering the question effectively. Tip number 3, structure your answers. Start with a clear introduction, stating your main argument or point. Then, develop your ideas in paragraphs with supporting evidence and examples. Remember to use transition words to ensure a smooth flow between paragraphs. Finally, conclude your answer by summarizing your main points. Tip number 4, practice active learning. Instead of just memorizing facts, try to understand the concepts and relate them to real-life examples. Engage in discussions with your peers, ask questions, and create mind maps or visual aids to help you retain information better. Tip number 5, revise and proofread. Once you've finished writing, take some time to review and edit your answers. Check for spelling and grammatical errors, and make sure your thoughts are expressed clearly. You can also seek feedback from your teachers or classmates to further improve your writing. So there you have it, 5 powerful writing tips to help you excel in your exams. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep working hard and stay motivated. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Good luck and see you next time.